This is absolutely crazy rain. Look at this rain. It's absolutely crazy. No, I'm seriously though. Look at that rain.
It's very strong.
You can't really see it actually.
I think you have to kill
You can.
this.
It's raining actually really strong. I might actually go downstairs. Actually open the door. Yeah, let's go open the door.
Okay.
Mom! I'm going to open the door to see what the rain's like.
Okay.
Christ alive.
Christ alive.
Hey Dad, come take a look at this. Oh my God. Taylor.
Have a look outside.
The arms.
It rains, mate.
Oh my God. I'm going to put my hand out.
Why? It's raining.
Oh, my hand's touching it. Go look at my hand, I swear. That's just, there's my new car. Absolutely soaked. I can't believe that. I actually can't believe how badly it's raining. Alright. Hope you enjoyed this. Yeah, here's the rain right there. You can see it up in the corner. Actually, I'll put it on a max. Actually, it's small. Thank you for watching. There's an aeroplane apparently flying in heavy rain. Where is that? Oh, there it is. Do you see it?
Yeah, it's really white and getting rain on itself, and it will blow up. It will blow up.
Do you see it up there? Yeah. Alright.
Wow. I'm
Right,
done.
then.
Work out saying goodbye.